What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I've got another premium collection unboxing. Today's movie is Gettysburg, the director's cut, starring Jeff Daniels and Martin Sheen. So of course, with all the premium collections, it comes with the Blu-ray, DVD and digital download. There's the spine. 1993 it came out, number 27 in the series. There you go. And what I love about these is, you know, you've got the picture down there. It actually continues on the bottom, which is pretty cool. And on the back, if you want to pause, you can. There we go. So let's take a look inside. So of course you've got your slip box there. Now with this one, it's got Blu-ray. But then when you look in the back, they've actually engraved DVD onto it, which is pretty cool. Make sure the digital copy isn't there. No, it's not. So in this one, you've got your booklet, you've got the Blu-ray, and then because of the length of the movie, which is 4 hours, you've got part 1 and 2 on DVD. That's some nice artwork. And then we'll take a quick look at the booklet. So I'll quickly remove the digital copy. There we go. So as usual, you've got the leaflet about all the other ones you can pick up. And then you got your digital copy. And then the very nice booklet which comes with it. And that's the artwork underneath as well. So very, very nice. I think it's at least 30 pages or so. 30 or 40 pages. Sam Elliott. Very nice artwork in there. So yeah, very nice booklet. I did miss a little bit out there. As you can see, there's more pages, but I'm not going to go through it like one by one. But yeah, so there you go, guys. That is the Gettysburg Premium Collection. I really hope that they put out Gods and Generals. That'd be a nice double feature to have. But there you go. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, leave a like right down below. And subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay awesome. Peace.